Welcome back to Life at Hacks. Today I am able to show you a hidden feature on your Android phone that 90% of users don't know. But it could save you time every single day. Ready? Let's go. Did you know your Android phone has a built-in app shortcut menu that can unlock secret features without opening the app? Just long press any app icon on your home screen and boom, a hidden menu pops up. Try it out on the camera app. You will see options like this. Take selfie, record video, take portrait. No need to search through menus. Just tap and go. It's like turning your home screen into a command center. Now imagine doing this with Gmail, YouTube, even your Notes app. If you just learned something new, smash that like button. And share this with someone who still taps through 5 menus just to open their camera. Drop a comment below telling me which app surprised you the most when you long press it. That's it for today's Life at Hack. Follow for more Android tips, real life hacks and mobile magic, all made simple. Catch you in the next one.